Before you begin, be advised that all of the suspension hardware is yield to torque or stretch bolts and must be replaced after every use. Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle and remove the rear wheels. The tow arm, red arrow, connects to the subframe, or what Porsche now refers to as a side carrier, and then the wheel carrier. If you have rear steer, you will have an actuator here instead of an arm. This actuator will control the tow while the car is in motion and adjust the tow out or in depending on steering angle, speed, etc. On the arm, the tow angle is set by two concentric washers on each side of the arm where it connects to the side carrier, red arrow. This can be adjusted while the arm is attached. If you are replacing the arm, mark the washers to get the tow angle close so that you can drive the vehicle to an alignment shop after and get the alignment done. There is not enough clearance between the chassis and the tow arm to replace the arm. Adjustment can be done, but the side carrier must be moved to give clearance to replace it. You're going to have to remove the upper control arms, red arrows, from the wheel carrier to give you enough room to swing the side carrier out from the chassis. Use your 18 and 19 millimeter wrenches and remove the upper control arms and tow arm from the wheel carrier. I have removed everything for photographic purposes. You do not need to remove anything other than what is listed in this video. This image shows the lack of space to get the tow arm to side carrier bolt out, indicated by the red arrow. With everything removed for photographic purposes only, you can see the side carrier, red arrow, and where it attaches to the chassis. You do not need to remove the side carrier completely. You're just going to lower it to rotate it and give you room to remove the tow arm bolt. Begin by removing the two bolts holding the front and rear of the side carrier, indicated by blue arrows. The rear fastener is a combination of a stud and a nut and may come out as one, red arrow. The crossmember, red arrow, also attaches to the side carrier, blue arrow, and the chassis. Remove the two bolts indicated by the red arrows. Loosen and lower, but do not remove the blue arrowed crossmember side carrier bolt. Loosen this bolt so there is about an inch between the crossmember. You can now pull down on the crossmember, red arrow. This will give you room to pivot and rotate the side carrier, blue arrow, enough to give you access and clearance for the tow arm bolt. Shown here is the small gap needed to rotate the side carrier. You can now remove the bolt from the tow arm. Installation is the reverse of removal. Remember to replace all hardware you have loosened or removed. Do not remove both cross-member to side carrier and chassis bolts at the same time. Use care when hand threading these bolts back in. You are threading them directly into the aluminum chassis, and if you cross-thread these, you are in a world of hurt. Torque all the side carrier to chassis bolts and control arm to wheel carriers to 90 Newton meters or 67 foot-pounds, then an additional 90 degrees. Torque the tow arm to side carrier to 100 Newton meters or 74 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.